She little girl, yeah. Yeah man, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire with Chef Garnet at it again. Yeah man, this time, this morning, what time is it now? 8 o'clock, 10 past 8 in the morning, and I decided to say we are go up on the road, go do a local road trip, make some video and stuff. Make some video. And we're gonna see what I go on. So we're gonna head down the east, which is St. Thomas. We'll start from that end. And we're gonna go Portland, back to St.Mary and end up on the Ochi side and come back home. You see me I say? So yeah man, that's how we're gonna do it, you know. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man. Put on the notification bell. I just see me and the gang is here. Yeah man. Yeah man, I say it got Rico Blade there and all this.
Yeah man.
Corey Jenner then at the building. And the great old pooper in the middle. Yeah man, how that over there so? Brittany.
This one was a big giant man.
And Sasha over there sir. I over there sir. I'm gonna pick up my sister on the way down the so. So yeah. I just see a full van load at the moment. And yeah man, it's gonna be a great day. We got our igloo loaded up with juice and some fry spot, and we go kind of experiment and explore and some food side things. So anywhere we see look attractive, we're gonna make a little stop. So the update and we can see what's going on. So yeah man, I'll be taking upon this journey. Yeah? So what I say? Now ready for the road?
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Up and running.
Yeah man, Rico. Pick up Jai, tap nice now. Jesus please. It's all me have to go through people. There's 3 people up woman and it's not tap and nice.
We wake up from 5:30 like that
yeah man, so people are going to touch the road and we pick up that woman here. We learn shut her mouth one bit.
From England.
And everybody there, so we're going to go up on the road.
They come from England and
no,
change the
phone. We'll take a journey and guess what's going on. We're going to buy some gas. Yeah, and a woman over here, so see how browning. Browning over here, so yeah.
Garnet, Bill, no, come no.
Yeah man, so the journey start. Yeah man, we're up on the Mandela, heading towards the Mandela area now still. What can I say? And at the moment, before this I drive, we call it over there, so I text to a girl.
We don't see material there, look.
And people pluck over there, so.
The dog.
And what? A bones in America. I need a bones, you know. Yeah, man, so. That's how you think, brother.
Off to a nice journey.
Yeah. So let me flip the camera and I can see what I'm doing. Bull Bay. We're in the Bull Bay now, so. I'll just look up on the hillside, so. This is the gully. You know, as you can see, the gully still. Wow, it's all them stone washed down in the gully. I don't know where this gully come from or whatever. Or the rain just make a look up part.
A river.
And the river? Is that a river? What river is that? This river probably come from up in St. Andrew, you know.
Yeah man.
Somewhere back there, so yeah man, so as you can see, this is where the mine stone maybe full of road or something like that. That's it. So just stop and look. At the moment, so yeah man, I'll go up the road and I'll show them what I go on. Yeah.
Yeah man, everybody. A tractor them have used
wow. Says the gully full.
Yeah, full of a tractor. Tractor them have used.
Wow, so you got the black up.
All the way there, so.
So that a river?
Yeah, man.
River bed.
Okay, cool. Alright, so as you see, what's that? Nice piece of mountain top there, so. at St. Thomas at the moment.
That's the bridge, you know?
Yeah, that bridge at it's going to be. Three finger jack, you know, three finger jack thing was a little thief, you know.
Yeah, one story.
You see, when them dance back on,
Yeah.
them time there, three finger jack.
Let's leave it there, man.
Henry the Buccaneer and it.
I want next slave kill three finger jack, you know.
But me not hear them
And collect 300 pounds.
300 pounds. And they say 300 pounds enough money.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so the Yellow Bridges, them say.
Yeah, wash it too, you know?
Yeah, man, the big river run through this.
Yeah, man, quarry, I go on. Let me quarry it up, that's what I'm
I dig out the sun out that bridge. Yeah, so I say, so if you look over this side, you know.
Yeah, man, go right now.
It's all the way down to the sea. When the rain fall on this, you know, brother, enough water, you know.
Yeah, man.
Water come up.
Look, if you look, I know this day now, the rain.
No, see, they cover the tree, them.
Yeah, cover the tree, them.
Yeah, man, people. So the Yellow Bridges and St. Thomas. I tell you, yo, Riverside River. And look at that. See, they mine all the sand over there, so you can hear the truck coming out of the bush. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, so the famous Yellow Bridge, this, Yellow River. Alright, brother, but yes, I tell some story now, how frightening sister them when they my baby. And Jai over there, so I talk Duppy story.
Yeah, man.
So you say frightening with the plastic prints.
One next time I don't know where one bone stone fling and lick it, but one lick for the mouth, but and kill them dead, stand up and
What kind of stone?
one bone stone, like a bone stone, but in a fire. One lick for the mouth.
Story time. Story time.
You see that? One time, don't you know, I'm not trying to do this, like it's not going.
Yeah.
You take the car, pull out the car now, the car like the car wire every night.
Yeah.
Cross the road now, say, boy, any man can snap, no must have Duppy and answer up, Mr. Car can't bus. The first man you woke up and Uncle Tuck car in him. Come on, you the car, say, Rico. Nobody but I do it, you know. Everybody afraid, I know you. Everybody afraid for going to do it, I mean. So I said, no, son, I mean, man, I said, keep that dead here, man.
No, sir, you do that.
I make a kitchen because of this. No, man, I'm afraid, you know.
I said, Duppy, tie them up.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I don't go up there and sleep with them, and then carry on bus. Why?
Duppy, they're afraid, I know, man, they can hide.
I mean, I'm making up the thing serious now, because I them play role too. They're friend, man.
I said, I have to Duppy them friend, man, so.
Man, them play role too.
Yeah, Duppy too.
About 3 or 4 we are going shop.
Everything for joke, man.
Duppy.
Oh, they get an idea, man. Duppy.
Man say, oh, you like Duppy.
Alimani and brother man, when brother man did, oh my God, everybody they afraid. Remember brother man got dread? Comfort a passage for them. Yeah, and then we chop him up. So when the man dead, we afraid.
Duppy come for everybody now.
Let me chop him up, man.
Yeah, that paper. Some story. History story.
Who wonders, you know? Who wonders?
Who wonders?
Brother man, when he dead, brother man come in power. One drama the night, nobody could sleep.
I push back door,
I push it back door, take up all the button. Figure like he lift up sitting like him all in the made.
So what that? A Duppy?
Yeah.
Duppy take a button?
Well, we have one piece of, remember the button that dread, the link up by the button.
You know, so we are sitting a long time all our yard with it, no way there.
Yeah, I don't know where there.
And tough piece of wood, you know.
And you can't come in and
Eh?
And I mean, the guy come there now.
We have a year there years, you know, man. Let me see, go and see it there. I ain't call it, but out. And that was the old bridge.
Yeah.
Remember that bridge there, no?
Link number 3, I sit down on the river one day, I say, yo, I say link number 3, I start chop after the road part in a piece of it, you know.
So Britain session, you know, your story I tell.
Scrape off piece and scrape off.
It's not honest and all going on.
I keep shining, no, brother.
Right, there is plug.
Yeah, man, catch everything, man.
I like a varnish.
When
Hey,
yeah, man.
trucks in Logan, I mean, make the boat out and can't come here and say, boy, it's a beat man, you know.
And you that it.
You know, I love tea for food.
Took out one dumpling and take up the road in a brother. I say, yo, mama, see the boat out from my yard in a rent.
It's like a scene and the wire woman.
It's a me boat out there, tell you, man.
Mama, boat him out.
Everyone away have a bus set from Mama.
I said, come here, don't you
Straight back down to Mossy Road, Navlet.
I said, you hit that coming up.
Zina.
How should he see the pot come?
How you know?
I'm running a laugh in the brother.
Yalas square with it.
Is that yellow square? I've never been that guy's story sweet.
Never tell her about Marking. I friend Mama have baby. I think I'll go.
No, man, I'm going to get that story time before we go. I get all I want to go.
Mama have a baby out Garfield, man. And I call Navret and Navret down a cultural yard.
So what baby? Mama a baby?
Mama, yeah.
A baby?
Yeah, between you and Garfield. I don't remember which one now.
I bring to give me a story. I bring to give me a story again.
I think I ain't Garfield this time, man.
And I call Navret and Navret now say, as you come, it's a beer and back a canic in my doorway.
So will it give? So will it give? And you just have baby?
Mama fling one milk pan and I Sunday morning. Mama dear husband, all of that pity and gateway.
There's a baby hanging out with a beer and back. Buff.
I want to come and put a ball out and I say Duppy. I said, little girl,
I shall get the venom then. Unless that.
Reach out to reach out.
No, Mama take a bus up and Navlet.
He said, the big old Duppy come and pick up over forever, the fuck shit alone.
You know, you tell us, Mama have banana penny a baby, I don't believe Mama go with Mama. I'm pushing banana in the 3-foot center table.
So back then the Duppy was real.
Yeah.
Really, I don't know, they're afraid.
Yeah, man. Yellow span?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm going to cut the Duppy story and come back to the one there.
Duppy story, not the yellow span too, no, because the yellow span.
Yeah, man, the yellow thing, you see, yellow span now.
It changed.
Because you are, yellow span, some family that fight with the land and the land sink.
And the thing.
You see me I say, and then turn up on a salt. You know, one time I come a yellow and we think a snow fall along, yeah? The whole place white, you know, like a snow. Alright, so I'm turn on the camera now. Stop it, so. Right, so in case Brittany and Sasha never know, this is what they call a yellow span. There are certain times when you see no water in there, I just pure salt. Let me say, there were some people that fight for the land and the land center. I mean, I know the history still, that's on the ear, so I don't know what true that is.
Back in the 17th centuries.
Oh, in the 17th centuries.
But the other day, my pass out there, it's thing, you know.
I just try song and do it.
Yeah, man, so. Right.
Where man goes in?
You go all the way around still, you know.
The yellow span.
One part of it, you can look up and see where you can look right over there.
Alright, drive now, I will go down the road and see what I want.
You're behind this, you know.
So, Mr.
There's a little border line in between.
Yeah, man, when I watch young, I come a yellow, so a long time. When I say, brother, the place, the sun, like snowfall.
Yeah, man, but that's a salt pan, man. Just turn salt pan.
Salt, pure salt. And the pan is what is the pan?
Yeah, man, alright.
Yeah, man, so you see the. So, I say, it's a piece of land, and it turn.
sink on the water.
See, look on that man. That come like.
Just take it over, you know.
No fish, no in
So
there.
I said that's why people have to fight over.
Them was going over the land.
That's why people have to fight over things, you know, brother. Cause
They take over in the water,
Yeah, man, just take you over.
apparently enough water that's still, you know.
Go all the way back up, so.
Yeah, man.
It was turned
A curse as a curse, you know, man.
Curse, curse, man.
They don't make you think about it. When they want to let the road water and think about it, it looks at you, you know.
Sometimes I pass it smell.
Water for
Stink.
the
Curse, man.
Sometimes I pass it and it a frat up.
So that's why it's the family sometimes, you know.
stuff right up, man.
Family don't fight over things, brother. Or if they never put it there.
Yeah.
Then come and go and see it left you alone.
Inheritance, you know.
Wow, that's it.
Yeah, man. And they say the ancestors them did. So me I say, I want to land that. How much? So how much family that fight over that? They couldn't just take peace.
Two brother me here say that.
So I would like David one.
Yeah.
One did one, would like.
One did one, all right.
I don't know, brother, but enough land, so they could take peace.
Peace. Look at the road over there.
Them name are nice to man, them put that
Yeah, man.
them name, you know.
Yeah, man, some people, these are the yellow span. We are past at the moment. Salt pan.
Salt pan.
Yeah, I don't know the full history of them, so I'm going to drive through and I'm going to know what's going on still. I've got to do the history. I've got to do the search. Research the history of this
Go check
thing.
out there.
See? Yeah. But I worry about, I think, well, they can say they want the water now then. They can fight over water now. They can build up the house, man, there.
How man the land sink, man, and the water, man.
And call it floating house.
And the water, the land sink, you know.
That's it, man. And the seed on the near, so.
You see the back
See the way back over.
You see me, I say? And look on this.
In the near, the way over so.
No, man, the way back.
You see the back over there, so.
See John and right back around him.
In the back of it. Look over there, see. You know, it's some salt. You know, it's some salt over that side there. Yeah, man.
You see the no amount of, now sometimes you see wave up just a frat back right pan, you know.
I never see nobody else swimming there, so nobody no want to swim in there, so. What I thinking,
Nobody never swim in there.
Fish in the water.
No fish in there.
I'll never go up the road and go see what's going on there now.
Nothing in the water.
They're not in the water. Because the one that you can't man, they do that every time I do.
Yeah, nothing in there.
I'm afraid of the history now.
Man, you don't want to Duppy catch them in the brother. You don't want no Duppy catch them in the water. You don't want to go drown, you know, because I think in the water there. But when you say, but when the truth is, when you say St. Thomas is a dangerous place still, you know.
Yeah, one dangerous place. Around us all of the...
Why you believe it dangerous like that?
All of the... They call them now the voodoo man.
Yeah, so by voodoo thing when I St. Thomas.
Voodoo man.
But you know,
Back the side of the island near to Haiti, you know, near to Africa too. So what I legacy of the place here from Africa, then tap that's how we did. And you're part of the island time Monday. Yeah, they take over first, you know. Yeah. Most I think from Africa, most I think from Africa.
yes, people, with the right, that's all. I think that's a fall now. We can go over there, go have a look at the water and drink. I'll go over there in a minute. But at the moment, as you can see, it's a nice look scenery here, so the sea is so nice. I'm telling you guys. Let me take you guys down there and see what I go on. Water pretty. Yeah, man, see the crew there. When you stand up on dry land, so far. When I go walk along the seaside, go look what I go on. Yeah, man, these are the natural spring water that come out of the rock. And I tell you, water cold. Like, what's the face on the water? I feel like when I go on this right now, I have a shower there, so the water cold, people. Yeah, man. I'm going to St. Thomas today, you know? But if you want to get a chance, I don't think the water is because you don't know where that comes from, to be honest with you. Yes, come up here, Carlo.
This is the Irish mash come from St.Thomas, Roselle.
Yeah, man.
Best mash in the world.
The real deal. How the mash are good for?
It's good for cancer, good for pressure, good for sex drive.
Oh, yeah, sir, that one.
I want to have one.
Yeah, man, and it's good for many other things. It has 92 different minerals. Yeah. Doctor run research on it, you know, so it has 92 different minerals. Right now it's gone global, worldwide. Everybody log on to it. It's the best sea mash in the world, St.Thomas.
Yeah, man, so if you drive past now, I will
want
sell them out here,
so if you want it, you just can contact me.
So what you number?
Sheldon. My name is Sheldon. My number is 772-5642.
Alright, the boss. And I write there somewhere there. See that?
Yeah,
you part, look for the sign.
So log on to Cook and Inspire and you get in touch with Cook and Inspire and you get in touch with me, the diver.
Yeah, man. See it?
Definitely.
Smash from St.Thomas, you know?
Forwards.
Yeah, man. So guys, we're there the place, you know, the bath fountain. You know, we just a pass through. We don't really go for a swim. We never go up there go look because you what me know. We come out there and I pay a man. Me see a harbor shark, brother. I mean, I can't take it. Harbor shark business. We never really come for swim still. We just come for visit and see where the place there.
Drive out.
And things so. As you can see, I pay a man there so. So guys, when you come up here, be careful there, man, because we don't trust them there. Every man want to come and say, Ray, you get me? So when they go up, so no, every man want to come, say them a massage you or do something, they want to pay. You see me I say? With the operator, I think that place I need some proper structure in place, you know, for probably tourists come up here so and whatever, so people don't really antagonize them or something like that, you know. So I don't. Yeah, there's a spa, bath, fountain, spa hotel up there, so. When the two like the baggerman thing hanging around. Every man want take it as every man want take it as so. That's how you think, brother. Yes, at the moment, I never better come out of my van.
Boy, I feel like I could eat a burger.
And we never want to come up every stay because we have a long journey to go. We are go Portland. We are go Portland and we are go Circle, go on Ochi side, St.Mary. So we are go crack on still. You know, but nice. With us, yeah, as I said, would that be a nice thing if we go there, but we don't like it. Yeah, we don't like it. We don't like it. We don't like the bag of bomb rush thing. Every man a bomb rush. That's what I say. So guys, you know, next time we have to come up here, so come see what I go on. Yeah, man. So guys, yeah, we stop for a look. We have a look pit stop, you know. In the middle of the KNP is over there. As you see, there's no toilet, so I have to just use the bush. The best toilet ever. Yeah, man. You see, nice and luscious greenery. Yeah, man. It's in the middle of nowhere over there. You see me, I say? And some nice gungo tree over there, so. I don't know over farming, but I think they're over there, so. You want canal around it, so? Water, the water pretty.
Yeah.
Crystal clear. I'll buy what's by it, you know, see what's here? Rasta in the middle of nowhere, keep dance. Yeah, man. I thought them pitness say, I see what's, man, what's by it, yo.
Yes, some of them, I can't wait.
Yeah.
I'm not lucky.
No, I'm peace them. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, we're the pan we are going to Guys, here, welcome to Portland. So, me I say, what on there? Where I am? Manchonil. So, me I say, guys, so. Portland, where they are arriving at Portland. I'll just leave St.Thomas. As you can see, guys, Portland. Yeah, man, this is one of the new road. what them guys I'm doing to go back to St. Thomas. Yeah, so we're gonna touch Portland and see what go on over that side there. Yeah man. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We stop at the local spot. This local bar car. Wait name girl? Under the rock, but we're not in a rock. Is there a rock? Oh, so downstairs under the rock. So up here say stop at the rock. Alright. Yeah man, so when time I pass I go to Portland, don't forget to stop at a local place. Nice local place under the rock. The chicken a jerk out the door and things so. Jai, you want to carry the thing? Yeah man, see the crew there now, eh? I do them thing. And the sun hot, me I tell them, you know, downstairs and make them see what I go on. I can see there's a beautiful scenery downstairs there. So here it is guys, water nice and pretty. See what I say? Wow, look at that. So guys, when you come to Jamaica, don't forget to come at them spots. Where you studying, bro?
Under the rock. Under the rock,
And you don't mind me go up on YouTube and tell me a little bit?
Anything, man. No,
yes.
man, if you go on it.
You don't mind go on it and tell me a little thing about you, so.
Yeah, you already have said, no?
If you don't have to, put the face night now, you can't start still, you get me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Shoot it, man.
Alright, so the boss here I go talk and tell you a little bit. Come on, so we can see the water at the same time.
Yeah, your boss has sent it as a year vice a world star. You see me, as I say, you can view the place and see a famous under the rock.
Yeah, man.
As I say, I prepare some more food. As I have some food ready already. Yeah. You know what I mean? So you don't know the
So what kind of food we normally do up here, sir?
We do mostly fish, any type of fish you need.
Yeah?
We do jerk and whatever you need.
So none already yet?
Yeah, we have things ready up there now.
Oh, see.
You know what I mean? So we're still there. See.
What you got ready?
We got some jerk up there ready.
Alright, we soon go visit the jerk and see. You want to go visit the jerk, because man, can you see what happened now, yeah?
Rasta fast food. Things super low, see me.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
That's how you think, man. So people, when you not pass, don't forget to stop here, man. Under the rock. You
yeah,
see me
World
say?
Star there, they are going.
And who for us for?
World Star. The World Star.
The World Star.
Yeah, 6 out there.
Yeah, man. You see me say
One
people?
laugh.
Nice little spot, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me I come. And you see me I say? Lovely view, people. Look at the water. Crystal. So people can swim down here, so?
Yeah.
Tell them people, yeah, man. So Rasta. Rasta, you'll be the tour guide. Alright, I come on with me thing, you know. Yeah, man, people. So we're there at the place I call Under the Rock.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. I love it there, so trust me, because you can feel it, the nice breeze and everything blowing. Look at Jamaica, beautiful people. This is only one of the spots, I'm telling you.
One out of many.
You know. So this is Portland actually, just on the border of St. Thomas and Portland. You know, I see the guy up there doing jerk chicken and him cooking different variety of food. I'm gonna sample the jerk chicken in a minute.
Come back here and give my
That's what I say.
Come
Yeah, man. So, guys, beautiful. If you're going for a drive out for the day, like a picnic, you know, it's a nice place. So if you look what go on behind me right now, yeah, yeah, man. So look what go on. I think this is the famous spot that they call. This is why it's Under the Rock, right?
Yeah, because I'm under the rock with it.
Yeah, man. I am under the rock. The rock is higher than high. Yeah, man. See there? I eat that, you know, people. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see there is not many people around here because I think they close it for the day. But, you know, we get this opportunity to come up here to view and see what go on. You can actually keep all a party around here by the looks of it. Yeah. Wow. I just love it up here, to be honest with you. If you look behind me there, you see that beautiful piece of rock out there, so. You see that, people? See that? Oh, look at that. How lovely that is. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you know, people, because you don't know, so we are go about Jamaica for a little while. I'm only here for a couple of days now, and then I'm just going to do a little island tour, you know, and show you guys the beauty of Jamaica. You know, sometimes people live in Jamaica and they haven't really exploring Jamaica, how they should do it. Now, until I leave Jamaica and I came back, you know, I can get to visit certain places, you know, so, yeah, man. Oh, that sure, that's what I go on. I'm telling you, man, I just feel like just sitting here all day and chill out, have some fish and something. Yeah, so, yeah, man, it's Cook and Inspire in the building. With Corey Jenner. Yeah, man.
Nice and easy day, you know?
Nice and clean today. Share up and thing.
We get to eat out, come on.
Yeah, man, I wake up there, gone up by top, you know, I'm going to eat a little sprat them.
We gone under more under the rock.
They tell me, say, yo, we gone, fry some sprat and walk with people. I tell them, say, yo, them people, the children out there digging at it, and shouldn't leave none for it. Yeah. But, yeah, but this is really a nice little spot. You know. So when you guys come to Jamaica, make sure so you always find a local spot to come, you know, just to clear your head. You kind of stuck one place, you know. It's always good if you have a local vehicle to go or move around. You know, you don't have to really stuck in one place. You visit different places and see what's happening. Yeah, that's it. And I like Jamaica as well, because Jamaica, to be honest with you, I'm not biasing, but to me, brother, Jamaica is one of the most beautifulest place right now. I tell you, okay, when nobody wants to say about Jamaica, but the crime and whatever is taking place, you know, Jamaica is just so beautiful. I'm telling you. You know, and once you got the money to move around, then you know you're okay. You know. Yeah, man. So bless up on yourself, people. As I say, I continue and show them what I go.
Natural vibes and it, you know. And the rock for the foundation, right? Yeah, man, that's it. Who like a fridge of them place, you know? The beach out place, you can come out fun people. Seas around it, you know? I myself can subscribe it, you know? So it's good for you too.
Yeah, man, guys, so, yeah, man, we're there at the moment. I eat some sprat. Fried sprat and bread. Yeah, man, we prepare them things at home still now and walk. So I say, yeah, man, we eat up one of them sprat and see what I go. Yeah. Yeah, man. Eat some pickle, onion and stuff on it. I'm telling you guys. That's a nice hard-dough bread with the sprat. But yeah, what we do with sprat now? We put them on the bread like that. Yeah? With all 4 or 5 of them like bread. But make sure you scale your sprat, you know. All that scale come out because you have now. The scale will choke you. Yeah, man. The scale is good when you swallow it now. Yeah, so I have around 3 sprat. Now 2 slices of bread. I go mash up. This sprat is nice, you know. So this is under the rock. But at the moment we're on top of the rock. The rock is higher than I. You know? So yeah, so people, so we did. Bless up on yourself. You can't be good, be careful on the road. Yeah, man.